I'm gonna pop this. So yeah.
Hey mom, what's up? You want boys want some crackers? Give that back door. You need some crackers now.
1, 2, 3. There we go.